Hi dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 11 till the 21st of November. So let's start. Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Six of Cups. This person is nostalgic. They are missing you. They are missing some kind of sweet memories between you guys. Whatever you guys had in the past, this person is missing that. So Six of Cups is beautiful energy of nostalgia, beautiful energy of missing the past, missing the sweet memories, and missing all the smells, all the hugs and cuddles, everything that was very sweet between you guys. Let me clarify the Six of Cups in their current energy. So I feel basically this person is missing you. Okay, so basically this person is missing you very much right now. Let me clarify. This is Eight of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords. This person wants to talk to you. This person wants to have back and forth communication and they want to have a future with you, that I can see, but they're holding back. But they're holding back because they don't know how you're going to react to this situation. So that's why this person is holding back right now. This person is missing you very much. They want to have a back and forth communication. They want to have a long-term committed connection with you. Might be if you guys are not in a connection right now, they want to restart, but they are acting very differently. Okay, they are not letting you know this, that they miss you and they want to have you in their life. This is what they are doing currently. Let me see what's your current energy, Sagis. Your current energy right now is Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so might be you're having family time, enjoying family time, or having a great function on having a function in your family, and you're having great fun and all that. Or it might also be possible that you are looking for a long-term commitment with someone and or marriage with someone. It could also be possible. Let me clarify. The Ten of Pentacles in your current energy. Three of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Okay, you're just waiting for the right time for this thing for this commitment. I feel you're waiting for this commitment from a very long time, and you just need a commitment. Okay, and you're juggling, like you're juggling between the past or present. Might be you're juggling between two people at the same time. Might be juggling between what should I do, whom should I choose. So you're just trying to go within and seek all the answers. You could be dealing with a Virgo here, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So yeah, you are just waiting. You are just waiting for the right time to come out of this situation, juggling situation, and trying to seek answers from within. All you want is commitment and a long-term relationship with someone. This is what your current energy is telling me, Sagittarius. Okay, let's see what your person feels for you, their feelings for you. Eight of Swords. Conflicted. They feel very conflicted. They feel mentally in jail. They feel like they are not able to see the clear picture of this connection with you at all. They're trying to their best to see the clear things, see things clearly between you guys, but they're not able to do that. I don't know what is happening, but this person right now is feeling very conflicted, mentally conflicted regarding this connection. Let me clarify. See, this person miss you and they want you, but they're conflicted. Seven of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Again, this person feels mentally conflicted. They feel like they should give it time, give it some time, this connection for healing or something that is not happening, that was not working out between you guys. So this person wants to this person feels like they should give it time and they should reconnect with you after some time. Okay, so right now they are weirdly silent. They feel like they should give you time and they should reconnect with you, but after some time, after you will be completely healed, or they will be completely healed, or the situation will be completely healed between you guys. That's why this person is feeling mentally very very conflicted right now. What should they do, what should they do, what should they do? So they're trying their best to act mature in their life and take a mature decision. So they feel like this is not the right time, let's wait for the right time to reconnect, because right now they're not very clear about things in their life. This is the thing. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. The Chariot. They want you, I feel like this person wants you to move on from the past situation. Okay, not from them, but move on from the past situation. This is like they want you to be very very determined and sorted in your life, and just take a decision and just go on with them, be successful in that decision. Let me clarify the Chariot as what they want from you. Oh god, why? Because I'm on my periods these days, I'm feeling little low. Okay, let me clarify the Chariot. Six of Wands and the Fool and the Ace of Wands. Yeah, see, they just want you to move on from the past situation and think about the future of this connection with you, and or marriage, you can say, with you. Okay, they want you to with them, sorry. So they want you to think about the future with them. Just take the leap of faith with them and restart this connection on the passionate level. Like let's explore. They want you to move out from a certain situation and think about the future of this connection with them. But for right now, for the time being, they want you to take the leap of faith with them and just go with the flow with them and just restart this connection and explore where it is going. Explore with them. They want you to explore the feelings, explore the relationship back with them. This is what they want from you. Okay, they want you to move on from the certain situation from the past. Might be you're clinging to the past still, but they want you to come out of that. Okay, let me clarify. Let me see what is coming towards you till 22nd or 21st. Sorry. Justice is coming towards you, maybe a Libra. So justice, balance. Balance is coming towards you by the 21st of November. Yeah. Balance, justice. So if you did something wrong with them, karma is going to hit you. If they did something wrong with you, karma is going to hit them. So this is the energy here. Let me clarify. Justice card. Six of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, and the Lovers. There will be equal give and take of energy, but again there will be fight over someone. There will be fight over some kind of third person. It could not, it's not always a romantic relationship with the other person, but yes, there is some kind of, there is third party situation where the other person influence the other person, like influence, it could be mother-in-law, it could be mother, father, brother, anybody who influences the relationship very much. So I feel like, yeah, after lots of fights, after lots of conflicts, after lots of fights over somebody who is not connected to you directly, might be, but there is influence on the connection, there will be a balance finally. Okay, if there's no one else who is influencing the connection, I feel like there will be like crush kind of situation where you were attracted to somebody or they were attracted to somebody and you guys are going to fight over that, but there will be finally a balance coming, because Six of Pentacles is also here and the Justice is also here. So certain kind of balance is coming towards you in this particular relationship, okay, with this person. So yeah, thank you so much Sagittarius for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.